In this video, we'll learn how to install a new operating system on our dedicated laptop so that we can interact with our Bitcoin Vault more securely. The operating system we'll install is called Ubuntu. It is based on Linux, which is the most commonly used operating system after Windows and macOS. We'll start by downloading it on our everyday laptop, probably the one you're using to watch this video right now. Then we'll flash the operating system on a USB stick and use it to install Ubuntu on our dedicated laptop. I use Ubuntu on my everyday laptop, but you can do the same with Windows or macOS. The interface you see right now is the one we're going to be using on our dedicated laptop. So first we're gonna download Ubuntu. So I'm gonna write Ubuntu in my search tab and then go to the Ubuntu website. And we're going to be downloading Ubuntu Desktop. And we're going to download the latest version, which is Ubuntu 22.04.4 LTS. And we're going to be downloading the ISO image. So there we go. We're going to download it to our download folders, save, and here you can see it's downloading. Then we're going to download the software that's gonna allow us to flash the Ubuntu file on the thumb drive that we'll use to install it on our dedicated laptop. So for this, I use Balena Etcher. So I'm going to type it in the search tab. Again, you'll find the links in the description below the video. So make sure you click on them. So there we go. We're going to download Etcher. And for me, it's going to be Linux. For you, it can be Windows or macOS as well. So I click on download. And again, I download it in my download folders. I'll already have it, but I replace it for the sake of the course. And there we go. It's going to be downloading. We'll wait for it to download completely and then come back to the video. Okay, we have downloaded the two files, Balena, Etcher, and Ubuntu. So now what we're going to do is we're going to insert the USB stick and we're going to flash Ubuntu on the USB stick with Balena Etcher. Now that the USB stick is plugged into the computer, we can open Balena Etcher. And as you can see, we have three steps. We can flash from the file, which is this one, Ubuntu 22.04, and the destination where we want to flash it on, which is the USB stick. So it's already selected. We will select flash from file on desktop, Ubuntu 22.04, and then flash it. We just add the password and it's flashing. Perfect. It is now completely flashed and validated. Balena automatically ejects the USB stick, so you can just close the window and then take the USB stick out of the computer. We now have our USB stick ready to install our new operating system on our dedicated laptop. Let's continue with the installation.